Big Leap is a digital marketing agency founded on trust and focused on relationships. We exist to help companies develop long-term sources of customer acquisition and revenue growth.
As a digital marketing agency, we offer an array of services aimed to deliver results. These include SEO marketing, content marketing, conversion rate optimization, social media marketing, marketing automation, reputation management, paid social, and PPC.
Since launching in 2008, Big Leap has grown by leaps and bounds, and it shows in the array of awards we've won over the years. There's awards that are based on growth, like being in the Inc. 5000 for 5 years in a row, or Mountain West Capital Network's list of fastest growing businesses. Awards for our people, like the Sammy Marketer and Salesperson of the Year, and for members of our executive team, different awards that highlighted their contributions. And there's also awards for the company as a whole, such as Best Company Cultures, Best Places to Work for Women.
So how exactly did we get started and why? I first developed an interest in SEO during college. In the years that followed, that interest became the passion that guided my career. As I started working professionally, I frequently saw SEO agencies taking advantage of people because it can be a little technical and confusing sometimes, which also trickled down into the culture of those agencies and their companies. So I decided to break away from the corrupted standard and do things a little differently. I started Big Leap with the sole intention of providing brands with a trustworthy source of organic, sustainable growth. What began as a small one-man startup flourished into the agency we are today. We're built on trust, focused on relationships, and motivated by the long-term success of every client we work with. To this day, trust stands at the center of everything we do. As a result, we've been able to secure long-term relationships with our clients and achieve great success for not only their businesses, but ours as well.
Like Brian said, we started out as SEO experts, but recently we've been expanding to become a full-service digital marketing agency. While SEO is our core competency, we're expanding to help clients achieve greater success through a tightly integrated digital marketing strategy.
We've worked with great companies: Pluralsight, Bamboo HR, VisionWorks, Avis, RoofMax, Alpha Graphics, Empire Today, Tax Help MD, Spoonful of Comfort, and many more. We're so lucky to be able to rub shoulders with well-known brands, but also we love supporting growth for startups and smaller brands ready to build a bigger footprint. Our clients really are some of the best people we know.
So how can Big Leap help your business? At the end of the day, most business owners want the same thing. We need to turn a profit, right? We're trying to make money. And the way that Big Leap can help with that is with the things that you'd expect. More traffic, better rankings, more leads, more opportunities, and those things, as they improve your reputation online, lead to more sales. And that's what we really want. But how do we really do that? What's the actual thing we're helping you solve in a lot of ways? It really comes down to two things. Number one is bandwidth. Maybe you have wonderful people at your company. Maybe you're one of those people who's really smart, but you're wearing 40 hats right now. You can only wear 40 hats for so long. It's not sustainable. And you need the bandwidth, you need the help from a team that knows what they're doing to help out. The second is expertise. Digital marketing expertise is tricky. It's constantly changing. You can have the right answer today, and tomorrow it's no longer the right answer. So having a team that's constantly keeping up with the expertise of what we do is critical to your success.
Reach out to us today, and our team of strategists will get working on a free audit for your business, complete with a handful of strategies to help you grow. We look forward to getting to know you.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and from our team to yours, welcome to Big Leap.